Hey guys, welcome to Habanero Bear's quick and easy tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to go ahead and stream your games or anything else you'd like to stream yourself with what software, quick and as soon as possible. Now if you guys have any questions regarding this video or any other video, I'm gonna have my live stream link below. Jump in there, ask me any questions that you like. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is to download a free software. You have a few different softwares that you could download, such as I have some over here myself. OBS Studios, Streamlabs, Stream Elements. All of these, you could go ahead and download them free from online. And then here I could go ahead and show you one. Okay, so you go, let's say, to Streamlabs. There you go. You click on the first one. Top right hand corner, you see the download sign. You press here and you download the software. Okay, now the softwares are pretty identical, so whichever one that you download, they're gonna be pretty identical. Okay, so when you start, you're gonna see something like this. Okay, the first thing you want to do is jump into settings. Now again, all of these programs are gonna look almost identical with the tutorial. Okay, so let's say you go to settings. Okay, so you go under the stream tab. Now this is a service where you want to stream to. Okay, now over here I put it on simple mode. The bitrate, I would have it from 10,000 is too much. Now you want your bitrate, video bitrate, to be somewhere around 4,000 or 5,000. Now if you're having any stutters or anything, lower your video bitrate and it's gonna usually help. Encoder, always have it on NVENC, and audio bitrate I leave it as is. And then you go to video. You choose for base what resolution you have on your monitor yourself, and then what resolution you want there to be streamed at. Okay, now when you're done with this, before you could stream, go back on the stream tab. Now you're gonna need a stream key. Now don't ever give your stream key to anyone. If you want to find your stream key, there's different ways of finding them. But for example, let's say you want to find your stream key Twitch. Okay, let's jump on Twitch real quick. You go in the top right hand corner over here, you press on your logo, your face, and then you go to video producer, let's say, and then you go on settings on the left hand side, and then you go to stream. I don't know why you have to do so many things, but there you go. Here is on the first part right here, here's your stream key. Okay, you could just go ahead, press copy, and you just go ahead and paste it over here. Press OK. Now you're almost done. Now depending on what you want to do, you want to go on the bottom left hand corner where it says scenes. You press the plus sign. I already have a scene open. So now let's say you want to start streaming your game. So you go in the source section in the bottom corner, press the plus sign here as well. So you go display capture or game capture. Display capture will capture anything that you have on your screen, so whatever is on it everyone can see. But if you put game capture, it's only gonna show you whatever you have open in full screen mode, such as games, so people cannot see what you're gonna do on your desktop until you play a game. It uses a little bit less of your computer power, but I use it a little bit more easier to play with. You're gonna see something like this, which is like a mirror within mirror, automatic. You just press OK. Okay, now that you have added your display capture, if you have a camera and you want to add your camera to your stream, you go again on the source section in the bottom section, bottom part, you press the plus sign, you add. Now you go on video capture device. You choose, you could name it whatever you want, you press OK. Now over here, you could choose what device it is. And you press OK. I already have it set up, so I can't do it, it's gonna disconnect. Then you press OK, and then you will have your camera also on the bottom right, left, wherever you want to position it. You could move it around. You're gonna have it on your screen as well. So you go over here, you press start streaming on the bottom right hand corner, and that's it, you're on. Now if you guys had any questions regarding anything in the settings that I didn't go into in depth, I wanted to be fast and easy in this one, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. If you guys found this video at all useful, please consider leaving a like or a subscribe. It will help me greatly develop this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.